What's up, guys? And today, as you see in the title, we are going to be doing some much needed upgrades to the C6. So in this video, I'm going to be upgrading the parking lights. So I'll be upgrading these lights here. So these are a stock yellow, orange, whatever you want to call it. When you turn the car into drive, they run all the time. I mean, it's a signature Corvette look. You can tell it is one coming down the road, but I'm getting rid of that orange and I'm going with some bright white LEDs. So this video today will be showing you how to do it, how simple it is, and trust me, guys, it's just a much needed mod. I picked these lights up off Amazon for 14 bucks. These are 4157. So it's multiple sizes. I think they came in 3157, but it's all the different sizes and it'll all be the same. It'll all function the same. So supposedly these are error free. I won't be able to test that theory out just because my Corvette already does have LEDs in the rear. So they are what's causing the hyper flash. So I won't be able to test that theory out with these, but that's what they say they are. Who knows? If you got the stock LED or stock lights in the back right now and you don't got the hyper flash, maybe these won't be either. But we'll be changing these ones out today. And if you're checking this out and you're interested in LED changing your car, check out some of the other videos I got on the C6. So I already did the interior lights. And if you're watching this, today we'll also be doing these lights down here, which are the fog lights. Don't have that video yet if you're checking this one out recently, but that video will be up right after this one. So check those out if you're looking to do an LED swap out. But today, let's go ahead and get those swapped out. So let's go ahead, jump into the first steps to get this done. First step, guys, is go ahead and turn your wheel to the side that you are doing. So I'm going to be doing the driver's side to, right now. So turn it to the left. And it's the same process as the other side as well. Let me go ahead and turn my light and show you what rivets to take out. So getting up under the wheel, guys, you see right here, we got 4 rivets. There's 6 total, but we're going to be taking this, and this one out. So those 4 rivets, pop those out, and it will expose your light, which is right up in here. Those come out with just, your pin puller tool if you have one, or a flathead, some needle nose pliers, anything like that. Real simple to pop out and real simple to do, guys. Just go ahead and drop those 4 out. Also, guys, if you're, kind of running into an issue with popping this rivet out here, I'll show you. You just take your flathead right up underneath the head there, wiggle, wiggle, and then it'll start to come up a little bit like that. Then what I did is I took my pliers, put them in the middle there, and just wiggled, wiggled, wiggled. And then it'll come to a point where it comes up like here, and then the whole thing will pull out because this is not designed to come out. So just simple enough. Once you got that off, time to take the light out. Okay, guys, so now that you got it off, here you are in your lighting section behind the little flap. That one right there is going to be your parking light. So just twist that and the whole light assembly should come out, and then we're going to go ahead and drop in our new light. Okay, guys, so after your quarter turn, there's your light bulb. Go ahead and pull the old one out and put the new one in. And always do a little quick test before, just because with these type of lights, you may have put it in the wrong way and it might not light up. You don't want to go through all the hassle putting everything back together and then not light up. So go ahead and put your new one in and give it a test. Don't mind the beep, guys, but there you go. It's on and it is bright. So you can go ahead and fish it through and get it in place, and then just twist it back in, and then you're locked in, and just repeat the same process on the other side. And make sure everything's closed up and tight, and then you're good to go, guys. There you go, guys. That's a side-by-side in my garage. Obviously, it's still daylight outside, but my gosh, look at the lighting difference on that. The camera is almost not giving it as much justice as it is because it's actually really bright. I love the look. I think once the fog lights go into play, it's going to look great. I'm going to be doing stuff with the side markers as well. But for right now, just that insane upgrade, guys, for $14. Every Corvette owner, you got to get this. You got to get this. Love the look. Let's go ahead and get the other side in now. Loving the look, guys. And if you don't already know, I went from these to these. And boy, is the lighting great. I love this look. It looks so much cleaner. My God, I wish it wasn't so bright so you could just see more of the contour but then you'd see more of the dirt because my car is extremely dirty right now. But man, guys, clean look. Clean look. There's a blinkers look there. Well, hazards. Extremely bright. Well, guys, as you can see, I absolutely love it. And it looks great. It's an absolute must-have upgrade. $13, $14, whatever it was. Must-have upgrade. Great price. Great quality. You can't beat it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope this was easy to follow through. I hope your guys' look as good as mine. I'm sure it does. And until the next one, guys, peace.